Acubiz EMS is a user-friendly, flexible, and app-based expense management solution which handles your company's expense reporting, beneficial to both employees, finance, and management. Acubiz EMS makes it easy, simple, and quick. Working in Acubiz EMS is very simple. In Acubiz EMS, you will find Show My Settings above in the right corner. In My Settings, you can manage your profile. Among other things, you can change your password or your language. The blue icons will guide you to the different kinds of information you need. For instance, your travel insurance, travel agency, and company policy. You can also find help from Acubiz Help Center, which is useful if you need any help with your solution. All your unprocessed transactions are listed on the front page. Acubiz EMS recognizes the type of costs and automatically fills out the description. It is always possible to change it. Cash expenses, including relevant receipts uploaded with Acubiz Capture, will also appear on the list. Further, you can attach relevant receipts uploaded with Acubiz Capture to your credit card transactions if it's not automatically matched in Acubiz EMS already. If you are using Acubiz Mileage for registration of mileage, the registration will be uploaded directly to the list of unprocessed transactions. Details from your trip are shown here, and you can also see the Google map. When you send your transactions for approval, you choose relevant receipts from the list of unprocessed, and then you choose Submit for authorization. If you want to create an expense report, tick off any relevant receipts from the list. Choose Create, followed by Expense Report in the top menu. Fill in the dates according to the first and the last day related to the relevant expense report. You also need to fill in a description. To the left, you will find your receivables, and to the right, the approver and finance can see the total cost of the expense report. Below, you see the receipts you chose for your expense report. If you need to attach additional receipts to your expense report, you choose Insert. If you are not using the Acubiz apps Acubiz Capture and Acubiz Mileage, it is possible to enter manually in Acubiz EMS. You can create a cash expense with a relevant and electronic receipt. If your company does not reimburse actual travel expenses but pays daily allowance according to government rates, this is also supported in Acubiz EMS. Also, you can enter your mileage. Acubiz also supports the usage of cash advance and cash return, as well as requisition-based workflow with control of approved travel costs. When your expense report is finished, you choose Submit for authorization. As an authorizer, you receive expense reports and single transactions in Acubiz EMS, but also in our app, Acubiz Approve. You see the list of received expense reports and single transactions on your front page in Acubiz EMS. You can approve separately by ticking off the relevant expense reports and single transactions, or all at once. When the expense report or single transaction is authorized, it is sent to finance, where it is booked automatically with a single click. Acubiz EMS is an easy and time-saving solution within expense management for companies who want it simple. Learn more about Acubiz apps and services within electronic and mobile handling of expense management by visiting our website, acubiz.com.